Emily, worn down by the unrelenting search for work and the weight of unpaid rent, finds herself at a breaking point. The rain reflects her inner turmoil as she receives an eviction notice, concrete proof that her world is falling apart. Alone and overwhelmed, she sits on a park bench, her vision blurred by tears and the distant, uncertain future. Just as despair begins to consume her, an elderly woman approaches, offering a steaming cup of tea and a quiet presence. Her simple words, "Take this, it will warm you," cut through the darkness. Emily, with trembling hands, accepts. The warmth of the tea provides more than physical comfort. It becomes a turning point. The old woman's silent compassion awakens a flicker of hope within her. This small act of unexpected kindness sparks a profound shift in Emily. She realizes that even in her darkest moment, she wasn't invisible. Inspired, she begins offering help to others in quiet, meaningful ways. A meal for a hungry neighbor, a listening ear, a helping hand. Her actions ripple outward, creating a quiet wave of goodwill. With renewed purpose and resilience, Emily slowly rebuilds her life. She secures a modest job and finds stability, but more importantly, she becomes a light for others struggling in their own darkness. Her story becomes a testament to the life-changing power of kindness. The narrative reminds us that compassion, no matter how small, can be transformative. One simple act can reignite hope, change the course of a life, and create lasting impact. Emily's journey shows that when we choose kindness, we not only lift others, but also rise with them. Now let's increase vocabulary and learn how to use words in a sentence. Turmoil, noun, a state of great confusion, disturbance, or emotional unrest. Example. After losing her job and receiving the eviction notice, Emily was in complete turmoil. Overwhelmed, adjective or verb, feeling completely overcome, emotionally or physically, often due to stress or too much happening at once. Example. He felt overwhelmed by the amount of work he had to finish before the deadline. Trembling, verb adjective, shaking slightly, often due to fear, cold, or strong emotions. Example. She held the letter with trembling hands, afraid to read what it said. Resilience, noun, the ability to recover from difficulties or adapt to challenges. Example. Despite all the hardships she faced, Emily's resilience helped her rebuild her life. If you want to learn English through story, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular learning.